spotlights. I'm not enraged. The blue flame has nothing to do with being a Democrat. Blue flames are hotter, and the more angry I get, the hotter the flames get, and the more things they'll destroy. Now that I've gotten that out of my system, let's move on to a short cosmology segment. Oh yeah, the cosmology segments. It's a regular feature of the Smash News Network. And don't forget to check the YouTube playlists. It's youtube.com/smashamash/playlists. You'll find like 70 videos in there about cosmology segments. Now, we regularly talk about cosmic rays on the cosmology segments, since Earth's weather is actually part of cosmology. I won't get into it today. Today's featured object, we've looked it up at the Neil Gorell Swift Observatory. Yes, the Hard X-ray Transient Monitor. Today's featured object is massive radio galaxy located about a distance of 530 million light years, galaxy 3C405.0. Now, this is the second strongest radio source in the entire sky, second only to the Sun. It is a Safer 2 galaxy, and there are the X-ray outputs from that if you want to follow your favorite transients, such as, Sagittarius A star, the Gaminga pulsar, Crab pulsar, Cygnus X3, Cygnus X1, etc. Head to the Neil Gorell Swift Observatory and look it up. All you got to do is just hit Control F, and for instance, if you want to look up Sagittarius A star, type in SGR space A, and there you can see the X-ray output of Sagittarius A star, which has actually gone into a very weak state here over the past approximately 20 days. A very low output state, although over the past 5 years, it's been actually ramping up its X-ray output. Now, today's featured object, Cygnus A, the massive radio galaxy, otherwise known as 3C405. We like it so much that we've put it on the website and on a shirt. And here you can see a little bit of detail about the jets, as this has got these massive radio jets. So it's not only an active galactic nucleus, it's also the second strongest radio source in the sky, second only to the Sun. And you can link to all of that from the Neil Gorell Swift Bat X-ray Observatory. And if you go to 3C405, otherwise known as Cygnus A, you can link right to that by clicking on SIMBAD, and it'll take you to this page. Again, there's Cygnus A, massive radio galaxy. Another reason why I find the Cygnus constellation the most interesting, and we like it so much that we've placed it on the bottom of the web page. And these are the massive radio jets emanating from the galactic core of Cygnus A. If you want to read more about it, head to the forum. There's a whole cosmology forum there. Just click on Cosmology Forum at smashamash.com/forum. And under the most is one of the most interesting forum topic threads. It's about the most objects in space. And the first one we actually showed is 3C405, massive radio galaxy, otherwise known as Cygnus A. And here ends today's cosmology segment. And part of the reason why we always throw cosmology segments in the videos, folks, is because understanding heliophysics is understanding astrophysics in many ways. So since subjects like geology are all based on solar dynamo models and gravitational accretion disks and so on, we consider cosmology to be an important physical science, no matter how silly some of the mainstream ideas about cosmology